extra time. It looks like me actually. It looks like me actually. I'm blessed, I think. I'm blessed and I sincerely thank them. It was wonderful coming. I've never been here before. And I was amazed to see in this heat so many people turn up. We are already doing it. We are helping district sports to get better. We provide them funds, we provide them infrastructure. We provide a lot of things. We provide as per requirement indoor school term. So we will make give them bowling machines also. Very good. Enjoyed it. Didn't sleep much, but it was fun.